cleaning your keyboard.
Pretty baby, you were young, wild and crazy until your vision went and got hazy.
Your fingers are disgusting. Think about it. You prod around with it, you eat with it, you pick your nose with it. Essentially, they're disgusting! Which leads me to my next point. Keyboards. And guess what do you use to type on them? Fingers. And guess what? Your fingers are disgusting. Here are some tips to cleaning and taking care of your keyboard. External keyboard. If you want to clean your laptop keyboard, then you might as well just give it a quick wipe and it'll be good to go. There are a few parts to a modern day keyboard. First of all, you have your keycaps. These are essentially what your fingers press, which triggers a chain reaction which then pops out a letter, number, or character on your computer. Keycaps are generally removable, and we will mainly be washing them. Under the keycaps are what I like to call the midplate. Next, you'll have the backplate. This is merely a piece of plastic to keep the internal guts in. You can usually take this off by unscrewing the screws visible. Under the backplate is the electronic circuits and the actual membrane itself. We'll take a look into these soon. Keycaps. Take a picture of your keyboard before taking them off. Once you're done, take the keycaps out however you want to. They will need some force, so don't be shy. You can simply take them out using your fingernails, or you can pop them out using a screwdriver from the underside, like so, given that you've already taken off the backplate and membrane and internal circuitry. Using a toothbrush or a small brush, you want to scrub the keycaps as such to dislodge any of the dirt under some water. A small brush is recommended, like this one. Well, this is a set, but you get what I mean. Before we continue, I'd like to point out that it's best to remove your backplate and membrane and internal circuitry before we continue. On this specific keyboard, you can do so by removing these two screws here after you've removed the backplate. Midplate. Using the brush, scrub it while having it run under a stream of water. Make sure to scrub the inner wells as well. Membrane. You can toss it into the washing machine, scrub it with anything, go crazy on this. It doesn't matter as long as it's clean. Do not wash these! I repeat, do not wash these! You don't need to wash them, they aren't going to be seen. If you put water on these circuits, chances are you'll break them, they'll malfunction. Why? Because water is conductive. If you really need to wash them, use isopropyl alcohol, but I wouldn't bother. Once you're done, reassemble everything. Start by plonking your membrane and circuits back, and then secure your circuitry. Then, plonk your backplate in. Finally, put your keycaps back in. They will need some force as well, so, as I said, don't be shy. Use the picture you've taken as a reference as to which key goes into which hole.